Last but not least, number 25, Carrie Ann Ryan. Carrie being escorted today by her mom, Chris, her dad, Mike, her brother, Thomas, and her sister, Megan. When asked the college she wishes to attend, she answered the University of Central Florida studying nursing. Favorite flag football memory, spending time with all my teammates. I love you guys. You're my second family. Carrie Ann Ryan. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time for the graduating seniors.